Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tiered end table. It's based off of a West Elm design, but it is super easy to make and it's a great beginner project. I have the detailed plans available for you and you can grab them using the link above or in the description below. The detailed cut list is in the plans, but you basically need 6 plywood squares, a bunch of 2x2 spacers, 1x2 spacers, and 1x3 and 1x4 boards. The first step is to build the bottom base using the 1x4 boards. I use pocket hole screws to build this and then attach them to the base plywood using pocket hole screws and wood glue. Next, add the first set of 2x2 spacers, and these are attached using wood glue and wood screws from underneath the plywood. Also, you want to attach 2x2 spacers to the other 2 plywood pieces the same way using wood screws and wood glue, and we're going to call this A. Moving on to the other plywood squares, we attach 1x2 spacers using wood glue and finish nails. They are 1.5 inches from the edges and we're going to call these plywood squares B. Now it's time to stack up A and B. We start by attaching B to the base structure using wood glue and wood screws. Next, we add A over it and attach that using wood glue and finish nails. You can also add a few wood screws if you like. Now we just repeat this one more time with A and B and we are ready with the shell of the table. And now the last step is just to attach the plywood top to the 2x2 spacers. It's time to cut up the 1x3 boards that will basically form the outsides of the shell. And there are 24 of these, so yeah, it takes a while to cut them and sand them all smooth. But finally, we just glue them and nail them onto the table shell and we're done. And you can finish it with paint or stain of your choice. I decided to go with a gray stain and added stainless steel contact paper to the spacers to add metallic accents. That's it. A simple and quick project that looks amazing. Be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what color would you stain it. And press the thumbs up button so I know you would like to see more videos and projects from me. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any fun future projects. Until next time, bye!